You might be wondering, what's the price tag on a tankless water heater? As the go-to experts for tankless water heaters in central Iowa, this question often comes our way. By now, you've probably heard about the fantastic perks of a tankless water heater, like having an endless supply of hot water. However, you might have also heard that these units can be costly. In today's video, we'll break down the nitty-gritty of tankless water heater costs and help you understand while you pay more up front, you'll reap the rewards in the long run. Hello everyone, I'm Royce Murphy from Golden Rule. We're homeowners just like you, so we understand the importance of budgeting for home maintenance. That's why we want to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how your money is spent when heating your water. The price of a new gas tankless water heater, including installation, falls somewhere between $6,000 and $11,000. On the other hand, a conventional 50-gallon gas water heater typically costs somewhere between $2,400 and $3,000. That's already a significant price difference. But let's dive deeper. A tankless water heater boasts a lifespan of approximately 15 years, while a traditional tank-style water heater usually lasts about 8 to 10 years on average. So during the life of a tankless water heater, you'll likely need to replace a traditional tank-type water heater at least once. Considering the natural cost increase over time, that price gap starts closing. Here's where the tankless water heater truly shines. In the long run, the efficiency of a tankless water heater is much better than a standard water heater. A standard water heater with standard venting runs at 57% efficiency. A power vented water heater runs at 67% efficiency, while a tankless water heater runs at 95% efficiency, which will save you money over time. As time passes, that price gap continues shrinking until it vanishes. Ultimately, the tankless water heater comes out on top in terms of cost effectiveness. So there you have it. While a tankless water heater might not be the perfect fit for every scenario, it's worth considering that the next time you're considering upgrading or replacing your water heater. If you stick with the traditional model, you'll likely pay more in the long run and miss out on all the benefits. If you want to learn more about how a tankless water heater can benefit you, check out the link in the description. And as always, we're here to assist you. Thanks for tuning in.